Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be bringing you a very merry thrifting video. This video starts a couple of days ago. I went up to London and visited the wonderful Mr. Carrington. I haven't seen him in ages and we've been talking about going charity shopping for a very long time. Let me show you what we found in London. Hello, welcome to another vlog. Look who I'm with.
Hello.
I'm with the wonderful Iwan, aka Mr. Carrington, and we're actually at his flat and we're gonna go to the charity shop.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. We've been talking about this for a long time.
Yeah.
A really long time. So that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna take you around the charity shop and just have a fun, festive time today. Nice and chill, nice and relaxed.
Get much?
I hope so, but I'm gonna have to cart it back home.
Yeah.
Look how pretty the Christmas tree is. I love it. I see a little house, star, and these little pegs. Okay, I am in full-on Christmas mode. And this one has a little Poundland. Okay, we have made it. Where are we?
We're in East Dulwich, South London. Yep.
And we are going into
St. Christmas Hospice.
Woohoo! Let's see what we can find. Thank you. This is what we were looking for. Oh my gosh, that's you.
That's your kitchen, as well.
Yeah. I love that. That's a bargain. Oh, I like that actually.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Gee.
That's £10. Yeah.
No.
Not sure about that for £10. Where's it from originally? It doesn't say. Apple?
Apple.
Oh. Have I done that wrong?
Not quite.
That's it.
There we go.
That's it.
Right, so, the next one we're going into is Mary's Living and Giving, which apparently is quite a nice one, I've been told.
Very nice.
So let's see what's in there.
I found these.
Oh.
There's a good selection.
There's some good ones in the women's section too. I was eyeing one of them up.
I love how vintage
that one is
cool,
to die for. I love it. Oh look! Oh, they're really good. What have you found?
Christmas jumpers.
Yeah. Which one?
Which are you thinking? Bears
I like the bears, very vintage.
or Santa?
I like that colour. Decisions. Hello.
Christmas jumper.
What have you found? That one's really good.
In here.
I think that could be the one. It's cute, isn't it? I love it.
Trade next.
Trade.
Let's go. Oh, hello bike. That was close. We've got a cramp situation.
Pins and needles. I'm too old to be sat on the floor. Okay, so we are back from the charity shops. We had a really good time. And I thought we would pop in and show you guys a few of the bits we found together. But we also did a Q&A. So if you want to go and see that, head over and say hello to Mr. Carrington. It's on his channel. We did a Q&A about like Christmas and home decor and stuff. So do go check that out.
Thank you for the questions. They were good questions,
weren't they?
They were
good questions, yeah. So thank you, because we asked for them on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
So we got a couple of bits.
Yeah.
Do you want to go first?
You go first.
Okay.
You got more.
I did. And I have to cart these all the way back home now. So, oops. The first thing I found was in trade. And it was this cushion.
I love that.
And it's so cute. And this was from Urban Outfitters.
Yeah, we had a look at the label inside.
We did. And it's really nice. It's like a minty green. It's got these little pom-pom thingies on it. And it was only $4.99. So I'm going to...
That's a bargain.
Yeah.
I like the shape of that as well.
Really nice long one.
Right, shall I do one of mine? So this is from St Christopher's Hospice, and this was £2.50. And it's a book called The Journey to My Best-Selling Cookbook, a foodie journal. So I've actually bought this for a friend of mine here on YouTube who likes his cooking and food, but it's got all these little sections to fill out, and originally it was from Paper Chase for £12, so bargain.
Bargain.
So it's not for me.
No, you've been very good. Oh no, it's in the bubble wrap.
ASMR time.
Then I drop it and it smashes on the floor.
I love this.
So I found this. This was £5 and it's a bit of a long vase, but it's a cappers shell vase.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's really lovely. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but I'll try and show a close-up. It's just really like pearlescent and just cool. So
it reminds me of that shop, is it Lombok? Do you know that store? Yeah, they've got bits like that in there, haven't they?
Yeah. So it's always quite different.
Yeah.
Put some eucalyptus or something.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, a few stems.
So...
How much was that?
£5.
That was £5, yeah. I think that was a bargain.
Yeah.
I think that could be very expensive in a posh homeware shop.
For London, that's a bargain.
Yeah. So, next up, it's another present for somebody. So, Kate, if you're watching, you're not allowed to watch this bit.
Don't watch it.
Click off the video. So, I've got a friend who's getting married and who also loves mugs and who also loves Emma Bridgewater. So, this is the perfect gift for her. And they are these Mr. and Mrs. mugs by Emma Bridgewater. Little hearts on them. And those didn't have prices on, so I went to the counter, expecting them to be a bit more because a lot of the mugs in store were like £2.50 to £4. And these were £2 each, so I thought they were an absolute bargain. And perfect little wedding gift.
Normally I buy mainly homeware, but I did find a few pieces of clothing today and I couldn't stop myself. Did I need this? No. But I've been looking for a tan aviator jacket and this one was from New Look and it looks very new. Like
it does, yeah.
Worn. And
really clean.
Yeah. £5.50.
Such a bargain. That's very you as well.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, straight away I thought that's something I'll see you in.
I can't wait to wear it. It looks really cosy. I'm going to take it home, give it a quick wash and be done.
Actually sorted for winter.
Yeah.
I have an item of clothing to show you. So this one was from Scope. And this was £7, and it's this Christmas jumper, and it says, "It's just me, my elf, and I." Although today it's just me, my elf, and Hermione. That's such a stupid joke.
Dad's over the world, rejoice. We saw some cracking Christmas jumpers
We
today,
did, there's so many. So if you've got a Christmas jumper party, ugly sweater party coming up, definitely check out charity shops.
Yeah, and then I'll try and go through these quite quickly. In the same shop that you got the mugs, I found this skirt on sale for £4. It's a little bit big, but this is what belts are for.
Yeah.
It's polka dot midi skirt. And it's really nice. I'm really liking midi skirts at the moment because you can wear thick tights underneath. Yeah. And it just keeps me nice and cozy.
Monsoon.
Monsoon. You know that was probably about £50 to begin with. And then last but not least, I got some Pumas. They're the Fenty Pumas.
So cool.
They're a little bit grubby, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna give them a wash.
Yeah.
But they were £8 and I'm very, very pleased because I put my white Converse in the washing machine the other day with my Vans.
Oh.
And I've turned them grey.
Okay.
So I've been looking for some white trainers for a little while.
They're in good condition still, aren't they?
They're
just
not
a little
bad.
clean up, don't they?
Just a little spruce up and maybe new laces. I thought that was a bargain.
That's a bargain.
Yeah.
Very good. Is that everything?
Yeah, I think that's everything.
Yeah. We were quite restrained.
We were actually. I'm quite impressed.
Yeah,
well
we're
done.
learning.
Yeah. So that's all we managed to pick up today, but I think we might have to do this again in the new year at some point in time. We've got some talks in the pipeline about meeting up and doing some more charity shopping.
Yeah, I'm keen to give Hermione a little visit and maybe check out some of the charity shops near you.
Because they're a lot cheaper near me.
Brilliant, love a bargain.
Exactly.
I'm there.
Okay, so that is everything that we have today. It was really nice to just sit back and do a chilled out vlog and do some thrifting together.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too.
Thanks for visiting.
Thank you for having me. It's been really fun. And of course, don't forget to check out his channel. He's got another video where we're doing some thrifting and a Q&A.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave it linked down below. He does some awesome DIYs and loads of cool thrifty things.
Aww.
So if you like that, check it out.
Thank you. It's been good fun.
Yeah, it has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.
I was going to tell him to do a thumbs up. Sorry, I don't know what my hand's doing. Give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so already.
You know the drill.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.